how to take a screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to take screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. So Snapchat is a secure based platform. Snapchat does allow user to take Snapchat, but the other person is going to be notified about it. In order to avoid this situation and to take it secretly, then what you need to do is you could use another phone to take a snap. So what you can do is just go ahead and open up your Snapchat and you then log in into your account, and you could go ahead and tap on the chat's icon, and here you could go ahead and open up a chat. So let's see that this is the one. I'm just gonna open up the chat. I'm gonna open this up, and when you do that, you could go ahead and upload the image just like that, and you could go ahead and use another phone to take a snap. And apart from it, what else you can do is when somebody has actually sent you a snap, then you could go ahead and open it up. So I'm going to use this feature for the stories. Actually open up the story, go ahead and tap the three dot icon, and you'll be able to see this option as remix. You can go ahead and press on it, and when you do that, you can exit out of your Snapchat just like that, and right on this page you could go ahead and take a screenshot. Make sure not to leave your hands or not to let it out. And as you can see that the screenshot has been taken, and the other persons cannot be notified that I've actually taken the screenshot. So in this way, you can go ahead and take a screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.